So today I'm going to talk about the standby screen functionality in an event. So by default, it's turned off. And the purpose of the standby screen is when you have your photo booth set up at your event and you want to let your guests just come by and take photos by themselves, and they're confused what to do. If you turn on the standby screen, oh, that's actually turned off. Let me turn it on. And by default, it's going to show the guest the event name and this button to tap to start taking photos. This way, when they come by, they know what to do, right? So they will tap on the screen, and which will, by doing that, it will show the camera of the event. And like I said earlier, by default, the default screen is like that, but you could also make your own custom screen, just like the templates. So I'm gonna click on this choose custom button, and I'm gonna click on the plus button here. And just like how you design frame templates, you can also design the standby screen by yourself. So, for example, there are different tools that you can use. Just similarly with the frame designs. So if you click on background, you can select two colors because there are two gradients that you can choose. I'm gonna choose that and that. And that'll be your background. I mean, it's up to you. Once again, I'm not a designer, so I'm not the best designer to talk about designs. And here you could also add a text saying like you know uh, Christmas party, like that. And you could also select different font for this, so like that. And I'm gonna have another text down here and say tap to start. I'm gonna give it a different font and different color, so yeah, something like that. And you could also add other stuff like stickers too. So let me choose. Oh no. So like there are more than like 100 stickers that you can choose from. Also, you could upload your own images as well here. And it also has the color picker, and you could set the background image as well. And once I save it, I'm gonna save it now. So save. Yep, it's being saved. All right, there we go. So you see the standby screen I just designed is saved inside the choose standby screen page. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna click on save changes. And now with the standby screen turned on, now if I start the event, if I click on start event, it's going to show that screen before anyone can take photos. So now if I tap on the screen, it will show the camera. All right, that's it. If you have further questions and if you have any point of confusions, just leave a comment or drop us an email.